come around though, it'll be the same.
Yeah.
As you may have noticed, we are currently backing up. When Interstate 35, running parallel to the track, was built about 30 years ago, it changed our railroad's original route to the North Shore. So now we back out of the historic Union Depot to the spot where we can switch tracks. We will then. Outer Harbor Breakwater was built in 1868. This was not an ideal place for a harbor since there was little protection from the harsh waves and weather that come off the lake. Today, the buoy marks the right side of the shipping channel, preventing boats from wandering to the area where many obstructions from the old outer harbor remain.
That must be what that is in the water. Or the old harbor.
Of the wall on the land side of the train, it is Duluth's first brewery, originally founded by Sidney Luce in 1857. The current brewery was constructed in 1882.
I guess you could just be happy. I didn't think anybody was that happy today.
Hey, the sun is shining.
The townhomes on the lakes.
Because it flows directly through the Congdon estate, the family which built Mn Mansion. The bridge we are on is 107 feet long and stands 40 feet above the water.
Is it stopping?
It's slowing down.
If you guys get a chance, definitely go see the Mn tour.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
Take the whole tour, the whole 5 floors of the garden. Yeah, it is.
I know.
All is the largest by volume. Lake Superior is 31,700 square miles and has 2,776 miles of shoreline. The water contained in Lake Superior could cover the entire North American continent in an average depth of 1 foot of water. The Empire State Building is over 1,200 feet high and could stand at the deepest point of Lake Superior and still be covered by almost 100 feet of very cold water.
Grain silos.
As many other benefits. If you're interested in contributing to keeping railroad history alive in the Twin Ports, talk with one of our staff on the train about a membership application. I would like to remind everyone that we'll be stopping to switch tracks before returning to the station. When we do reach the platform for deboarding, our Facebook page at North Shore Scenic Railroad, or follow us on Twitter at Duluth Trains. And of course, please take a moment to stop by Yelp or TripAdvisor, tell everyone how we did today. Feel free to mention us by name. Please take this time now to check around your seats for all your belongings. You don't want to forget anything on the train. Most common items left are wallets, keys, cell phones, purses, cameras, and children. Please take yours with you.